Ebiro 26 by'okwezi kwa gatanu umwaka ogwo uruko raporo zo kurwana Sensho Hambi Major Frank Kanzera akemereza ebyokwejo senkora ya huriyapo okukwata mukene.
A hurry up method which is very dangerous because it catches the young juvenile Nile perch and even the eggs because it goes down and it catches everything, even the eggs.
They arrest us and they detain all the boats and the fishing net is there in the barracks.
Na tugamanso ngati wakwenda mukene tuina ariyaba kwenda chota bai muleka lubati tugira ariyaba tugira kitimba kikuswa mukene.
Hata babaria ahamwaro gwa Rwentare Fofo Kiryambogo na Kijanji omugombora ya Buseruka umuri district ya Huyuma bagamba ngwenjara n'ubworo nebyo kubita ahabwe kiragireki.
It has lasted now 3 months that people are not fishing and people are lacking what to eat. People's boats are being arrested there, detained there up to now.
Ababari abutwashanga hamwaro gwa Rwentare bagamba ngo bakaba nababisubwaho mukene.
Cyecho kuriya cyo tetuchina ate government teyina cyetu wa mazima amatufu ndi wano tukaba amaziga netusanga tulongoseze munganzo omukulembeze munne nange tuso okukaba kwange eri president atusasi.
The situation is alarming. People are dying of food. Can you give them one chance one day they go and fish they get what to eat?
Abebembezi b'ebigombe biri kugita ababaria bashaba government gwebanze yewe emihingo barukwetebekanisa okuleta program erukuyamba abashohi.
Turahindura ebitimba tutwina nesende zogura ebitimba bakutuhaire gabu tubanza tukura ebitimba tusoba mukene tukura ebitimba nubo tuhindura tugarwa ebitimba ati tutwina sende turakura.
The boats are there. I've been moving to the commander on site to allow the boat to go to the fishermen. They are said they don't have order. They are waiting for order from above.
Pius Wakabi ori omunyishenjero wishaza ry'abahaguzi yaragana so kutwara inshonge jo mwishenjero na no wa minister w'ebyobushohi.
I think government ariye message bakweta hariya bafune sizes. Yes, abantu benabone bakiongereza muno nikiba kikoto no natime ekitimba kiye kilomita namba. So banake baleto size baita 9 abantu basaba.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose Nwagabakato.